Before making changes, you need to know the exact name of the service you want to configure by listing all running services. If you already know the service name, you can check its status. Replace Apache 2 with the actual service name you want to manage. Instead of modifying system-wide settings, which can be overwritten during updates, we'll use systemctl edit to create an override file. Run the following command. This will open a blank file in your default text editor. If the file isn't empty, you'll see existing settings that you can modify. Otherwise, you'll need to add the necessary restart configuration. In the editor, add the following lines. Restart always ensures that the service restarts whenever it stops, regardless of the reason. Restart SSE5s tells systemd to wait 5 seconds before restarting the service, which can prevent rapid restart loops in case of repeated failures. Once added, save and close the file. After making changes to a systemd service, you need to reload systemd and restart the service to ensure the new configuration is applied. To confirm that the service is now set to restart automatically, run this command. If everything is configured correctly, you should see restart equals always.